In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number on Microsoft Authenticator. Right up front, it's important to know that you don't actually change the phone number inside the Microsoft Authenticator app. All changes happen in your Microsoft account security settings, and the app simply reflects what you set up there. Start by opening a browser on your phone or computer and go to mysignins.microsoft.com/securityinfo. This page is the hub for your sign-in methods. Sign in with your Microsoft account and complete any prompts you see. If you're asked for a verification, use whatever method you still have available, such as an existing Authenticator approval or a code sent to a backup method. Once you're in, you'll land on the Security Info page. Here, you'll see a list of methods tied to your account, such as phone and Authenticator app. Find the old phone number or the outdated method you no longer want to use. Remove it so it doesn't cause confusion later. Confirm any on-screen prompts to finish removing it. This keeps your list clean and makes sure only your current methods are active. Next, add your new details. Click Add Method, then choose whether you want to set up a phone number for SMS or calls or the Authenticator app. If you pick phone, enter your new number carefully. Choose whether you prefer a text or a call, and complete the verification by entering the code you receive. If you choose the Authenticator app, the website will show a QR code. On your new phone, open Microsoft Authenticator, add an account, and scan that QR code. Approve any prompts so the app and your account are linked. After verification, check that your new method shows as active on the Security Info page. If you still have your old phone handy, this process is usually quick because you can approve prompts or read codes easily. In many cases, it's simpler to remove the old entries and re-add everything fresh so there's no overlap. If you no longer have access to your old phone or number, use the account recovery options provided on the site. For work or school accounts, your organization's IT support may need to help restore access. Remember, all changes happen on the Microsoft account website, not within the Authenticator app itself. Once you update your methods online, the app will follow suit. That's it. By managing your security info on the website, you'll keep your sign-in methods up to date and avoid lockouts when you change phones or numbers.